Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's for me the same. I'm Kenneth Ryan, co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I welcome all my old ones and the new ones, especially. I say you're welcome to your fresh episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we talk about lifestyle, we talk about travel, we talk about how to make money online. But today I've been receiving lots of complaints about Amazon KDP recently because I've been working for a lot of publishers in Africa, especially in West Africa. Yeah. And one thing I want you to know, like, you have to watch this video before you start your Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP, like, is very easy and at the same time it's very hard for you to make sales as a publisher. When like you want to start Amazon KDP and you chat, let's say this Nigerian people or this Ghanaian people, they will not tell you the truth. But I'm here to tell you the truth. I'm here to tell you the truth. All the truth thing that you have to know before you start your Amazon KDP. When these people like you chat them that want to start your Amazon KDP and they say, okay, join our Telegram, blah 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 blah. We have some calls for you, some videos and blah 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 for you to watch, and you will learn how to make money on Amazon. It's very easy. That's a lie. That is a lie. For you to make money on Amazon, bro, it's not easy. You have to invest a lot of money before you can what make money on Amazon KDP. So let's start from you starting Amazon KDP. The things you have to consider. So if you consider these things and you know that you can't do it, don't try Amazon KDP. If you consider all these things and you can't spend money on it, don't try Amazon KDP. Or you will waste your money and time. One, this course is not for free. People sell this course to, like, let's say, if you want to learn Amazon KDP, they will set the cost for you, let's say 400 cedis or 500 cedis as a Ghanaian, or let's say it's equivalent to, let's say, $40 or $50. So you buy this course and you will learn. You learn how to create Amazon KDP, how to do everything, how to link your dollar account to it, blah 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 blah. So, excuse me, let's go to how to link your dollar account to it. If you're in Ghana, for instance, it's not easy for you to get a dollar account. But Rando Tech, I'll make it easy for you to get a dollar account. But for the video sake, I want to make everything real to you. It's not easy to get a dollar account in Ghana. It's not easy. But these people will not tell you. So they will be like, oh, so you can create your dollar account on Grail, Payoneer, OFX, Eversend, blah 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 blah. But bro, it's not easy. It's not easy. So they will make the course look easy for you. So let's talk about the dollar account. For you to get a Grail dollar details in Ghana, it's not easy. But we have some ways to get it, and that ways involves money. For you to get Payoneer dollar details, it's not easy. But for you to get it, there's some way you have to do it, and that way also involves a lot of money. For you to get OFX dollar details, it's not easy, but there is a way, and the way also involves a lot of money. For you to get Wise dollar details, there's a way, but that way to also involve money. So we see it's not easy. But these people will not tell you. So they will let you buy this Amazon blah 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 course. Then you'll be like you'll be struggling like confusion, like why basa like yo. So you have to watch this video before you go in to buy this course. So before you get your dollar account details, when you chat me, I will charge you and get your dollar account. I'll charge you. So I will see it's not easy, but these people will not tell you. And because they told you that you can get your dollar details on Grow, blah 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 blah, then you try it on your own. So you see someone will chat to that, oh, I want the dollar details. That person has already tried Grow, OFX, Eversend, Pioneer, right? Like in fact, the person have tried all these things. So when you go like, oh, because you have tried all these things, unless we use someone's details, the person too will not understand, because the program taught them that you have to use the same details for your Amazon before it can link. That one too is a lie. Be using someone's details to create a dollar account for you is different from linking your local bank account to that details. So your local bank account has your original name and everything. So you linking that dollar details to Amazon will work perfectly. I hope you don't understand, but if you chat me, you understand. But they will not tell you all these things. And third point, after you linking your dollar accounts, like after spending money to create your dollar account, and after that you connect to your Amazon, for you to make sales on Amazon also involve money. They will tell you that Amazon will promote your book for you. That one is a lie. Do you know how many publishers on Amazon? Even on YouTube, if you do video, probability for YouTube to promote your video for you is 1%. Yeah, you have to promote it yourself. So for them to deceive you that, oh, like if you write the book, blah 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 blah, YouTube promotes for you, that was a lie. You have to get a visual card. That one too, I can create some for you. Get a visual card for you to run adverts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, so that it will reach maximum audience, maximum people, so that they cannot purchase your book for you. And one thing you people have to understand, if the book or the niche you are promoting is not a nice niche, forget, you are wasting your money. If the book you are spending your money to promote it's not a good book, you are wasting your money. You will not get any sales and you will waste your money. So you people have to know all these things. If you don't know something like this, you have to consult people who are already in the business. They will give you guidelines before you go in to buy these books, because like no one will tell you that, oh, like if you buy this book, like no, they will fake it to you. So after you buy it, you see it that no go AJ. You see that you suffer. It's not easy. Some people will chat to that. Oh, bro. Oh, Randall. After this thing, 1 year, I've made only two sales. Like, yo, you think it's easy? It's not easy. It's not easy. But we have some niche that really sells good, and that one too. If you consult us, we can give you those niche. They will not tell you all these things. That's why today I'm telling you all these things. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. It's not easy. It's not easy. But those who contacted, let's say, expert people, they know that, okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Don't depend on the course 24/7. Don't do that. Don't depend on the course 24/7. Don't do that. And there are some things you can't do it on your own. True fact. You can't do it on your own. There's some things you can't do it on your own unless you consult people who know much about it. I've seen that people have given up that, so they have tried creating dollar accounts and blah blah. It's not working because you haven't consulted the right person. That is why you are still suffering. But we have ways to what create dollar, euro, pounds, Canadian, everything. We have some way we can do for you. So before you go in for this Amazon course, watch this video before. So if you're okay with what I've said and you think that's okay, I can do it, I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem. I don't. I don't have any problem. If what I said you can't, don't go in for it. If you're not ready to invest or spend money on it, forget it. I'm telling the truth. I'm telling you. But I will leave my number in my description. If you want to know much about it, more about it, you can chat me and we'll talk. I'm out.